What's up, guys? Welcome back to Maja_KE. Thank you so much. You guys are really supportive, really amazing. And this is another episode. We're here, guys. Yeah, we have a place here called Hotel Jofa, and guys, we're here, and I really like this. I really like this, guys. And you can see how it's placed. We have a cool place here, guys, where you can come, relax, and have fun. Yeah, you have your cold drink here in the morning, and also, guys, if you didn't know, they have like soup in the morning. Very early in the morning, you can get your soup here. And the soup, African soup, guys, of course. And the African soup is like you have some few meats in that soup, and that soup is very healthy and for your health and everything. I believe, because in an African way, guys, the soup is meant for the people who maybe were sick, and then they get the soup. It really gives them strength. I don't know about where you're watching from, the soup, what is meant for, and especially soup from the goat, if I'm not wrong, guys. So, guys, this is Maja_KE. Welcome to my channel. Keep on subscribing, sharing, watching till the end, guys. So I have amazing thing from you, from Korea. This is I think the second event that is going to be done here, and it's very amazing. And the first one, I think you guys saw it. It was on my community, and it was amazing. So we want to see this, but I believe this will be the best, because the one hosting this event is one of the best. And thing that I used to do in my college, that I was Mr. Campus, yeah, and she's Miss I don't know, Migori County, yeah, Miss Migori County, or yeah, she will tell us when she is here, guys. So this is Hotel Jofa. We are here, guys, and we have some cars here which can transport you to anywhere that you want to go. Of course, with some maybe you can pay, but it's very little or cheap. It's very cheap. So anytime you want to go out of this Hotel Jofa, you will be transported, but you have to pay amount of money so you can be transported. So this is the car, you can see. Yeah. So today, guys, I'm not holding the camera. You'll be wondering why Maj is not holding his own camera, but today I decided, we decided that maybe we can do it like this. And behind my camera, it's Pope Africa.
Yeah. I'm the cameraman, guys. Yes. My name is Pope Africa. Kindly go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we just decided, like, I'm going to be the cameraman.
Yes.
So kindly subscribe to Maja channel and also Pope's Africa. Yes.
Yes, of course, guys, support Pope Africa. He is amazing, doing amazing village videos, of course, and kindly support Pope. He's trying to reach the watch hours, so we are trying to push him at least, so that we can we can move around, and at least he can get even a camera for himself, so that we can we can maneuver. Maybe when he's always using his phone, and I'm really proud of him, because he's always doing videos using his phone. So, guys, as I was saying, this is Jofa Hotel, and this is the car that will move you around and move you from here to wherever you're going to. If you're from Kisii, if you're from Kisumu, if you're from Nyabuhansi, because this place we are at is Mabera, so it's a few kilometers from where we come from Nyabuhansi. So whenever you want to go, anytime, any minute, guys, it's like a car hire, I think. So you can call this number for hire. So this is telephone number. This is the number, and www.hotel Jofa. So guys, that is where you can get transport from here. And also guys, we have this hotel here that is Jofa, but we have another one that I'm going to show you, which is so beautiful and amazing guys, which I've never seen in our village. So amazing guys, and I really want to see it being opened, because that place is amazing, very cool. Yeah, no problem guys. So we are going there guys, don't worry. And this event is so big. It will be on Saturday, and we will be here, and I think there are some people who also will be here, and we will be showing them here maybe today or tomorrow or the other day before the event guys. So this is Maj_KE guys, keep on tuned and see what is going to happen in our village, Korea to be precise. Korea guys. Yeah, so guys, this is the beautiful part of Jofa Hotel. This is it's not open, am I right?
Yeah, it's not yet. No, the other side is open,
yeah,
but not this side that we are in right now.
Yeah,
it's not open because this is the swimming pool area. It's not yet open.
Yeah,
yeah,
but it's yet to be open, and this is the place that guys, we are going to give you the best of the village life.
Yeah,
I don't know what to say about that.
Yeah, but I think when you're just here, for me, like when I come here and I just see this, like it just gives me that relief that you are not in the village. And again, yeah, those of you that maybe say like, oh, in the village is boring, just look at this. This is the village. Yeah. I will give them like a 360. Just look at this. Mombasa. This is the village. We have not gone anywhere outside, because actually this place, because I know most of you, like, you know Nyabohansi, you don't know, like when you tell you Mabera, you don't know much about it. Mabera, it's just like 5 minutes from Nyabohansi. Yeah. So you see it's still in the village, and you have this beautiful hotel. So guys, let's walk with you and see.
Yeah. So guys, this is the swimming pool here. This is, I think this is one of the best swimming pools.
It's very good, and I love the way it's designed.
Yeah. And the trees. This is called palm tree.
This is a coconut tree. Is it coconut or palm? No. I think it's palm, right? Palm tree. Yeah, palm tree.
This is the palm tree.
Yeah.
And the design is very good. I don't know if this. Yeah, it's not even carpet, guys. Very natural.
Yeah, so
very
natural. They do trim it.
Yeah, very natural. So, and the swimming pool is near here. You can come and swim, guys. So this is for.
Do you know how to swim, Maja?
Me, I know. Hey. You remember in Mombasa, I used to swim.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, you think as if this swimming pool won't be complete? Huh? We will see you.
Hey. Me, hey. You didn't see my video. By then, Maria will always be bringing Maria maybe.
Yeah, for the kids sections. Yeah.
Sections here we can. This is for the kids.
Yeah, this is for the kids.
And there it's for the adults.
Yeah.
Yeah. So design very good and very fresh. Fresh air, guys. Fresh air. You are like in. Yeah. Maybe you can tell us, because we've been in Mombasa for a very long time.
But even if you've been in Mombasa, Maja, what do you mean?
You can tell us, like, comparing this place to Mombasa, maybe the beach or a hotel in Mombasa. How do you feel like the breeze? And
okay, to be honest, I don't know how to put this. It should come out nicely. Like, even if like you can't compare this place with Mombasa.
Yeah, exactly.
Reason being what? The only thing that Mombasa is beating this place is that when you get such an hotel, you'll find that it has the beach front. So you'll find that is the hotel, then the beach. But now here, the only difference is that it doesn't have a beach, but it's very nice. Again, we are in the village, meaning the air that you breathe, it's very fresh. And to get again in the cities, like sometimes it's contaminated, we have the pollution. Like, it's not that. If you're getting what I'm trying to say. But again, this is a very nice place, to be honest. I really love it. Like,
but for me, you know, I'm a village boy from Nyabohansi village. But when I go to Mombasa,
you've been to Mombasa countless times.
Yeah. But when I compare, like, not even comparing, like, this is a place, like, it's very cool. Like in Mombasa where I have gone, like, I'm trying to You know, in this village, place like this, you feel the air.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in Mombasa, yes, the beach, what, but I think here it's very the palm trees.
The design.
The design.
Wow.
Yeah, you're like in Mombasa. So I think maybe we can find a beach here. Build a beach.
You find a
over
beach?
there. Yes.
How will you? What? How will you?
I'm joking. I'm
How will you
joking.
build a beach?
Yeah, I'm joking, guys.
Or we
but-
dig and we put water.
Yeah, we dig.
We dig,
put
dig,
water.
dig, deep,
Yes,
deep.
yes.
Then we put water. We
Yeah.
said this is our beach now.
Yeah, but
Then
I'm just joking.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
a joke,
it's
guys.
a joke.
Don't be like, hey, what are you talking about? You don't know
Yeah.
to expand.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the place that we want to tell you about. For me, I don't know more about it. Paris knows more about what is going to happen here, guys.
But it's much that we both know.
Yes, but you know more.
Imagine everything I know, you know.
Are you sure? Yes.
Yeah, so guys, but it just look like I just love the
Wow.
continuity. Guys, can you see the way this green has been kept?
Yeah. Imagine this is not
This is-
carpet.
Yeah, this is not carpet,
Not
like
carpet.
it's real.
You can confirm from here.
Yeah.
Pope, confirm from here. This grass is like
It's real.
Yeah, it's trying to. Yeah, but it's very real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, as what I was saying, okay, let me just tell you guys a brief what's really happening. So this coming Saturday, that is 10th of August, we are having Miss Green Globe, Migori County. Yeah, and it will be happening here at Jofa Hotel. And right now we're about to take you guys to the venue where it will be happening. But again, there are some small touch-ups that will be done in the course of the week. Because today we are on Wednesday. And so today being on Wednesday, on Thursday there is something that will be happening. Then like the main event is happening on Saturday, 10th of August. Please, if you're watching this video, you are in Migori, you are in Mabera, you are in
Kisii.
Kihanja, you are in Kisii, you are in
Even
Kisumu, you are in what is it called? You are in Isebania, you're in Tanzania, and you can make it to Jofa Hotel
Yeah.
because it's located.
Sorry guys for that. Yes.
Yeah, it's located in Mabera. It's not that far. Yeah, so and for the tickets are going for VVIP, very very important person.
Hey.
VVIP. Hey, you guy, my guy, you're not joking. People are not joking out here. So for the VVIP ticket, they are going for 5,000 Kenyan shillings. VIP is going for 2,500, and regular is going for 1,000. And guys, as you can see from that rate, you can tell that it's not like such a small event. It's an event that when people are coming here, like, you know what you're coming here for. You're not just coming here like you're coming to entertain yourself. Yes, you're coming to learn one or two things, because you're going to be having judges, not your regular judges, like judges that know a lot about modeling, because it's all about modeling and fashion.
Wow.
And you have a fashion designer here.
Hey. And do you know how to model? Like,
Actually, I don't know, Maja.
try.
Okay, let me try.
No, try. It come from here.
Hey guys, let me be sure myself, because I don't know how to model.
Do we go there or we do?
Oh
it
yeah,
here?
but let's go.
Let's
like
go.
with the place where it's supposed to be happening, that is
Yes.
much better. But no,
Exactly.
I don't have heels.
No problem.
Okay, let's
We're
go.
just demonstrating.
Oh, we are going to be demonstrating. And guys, right over here we have the washroom.
The washrooms here. I think this is the male and female. Yeah. So guys, we have we have
The
female
washrooms.
washrooms. Yeah, washrooms over here, and I think this is the stage.
Yeah, the stage will be, that is the stage right over there. I think we are getting there. So, guys, are you ready?
Are you ready for
Are
this?
you ready? Are you ready for? Please, even me, Gori, you are in Kehanja. You are in.
Koreans, are you ready for this?
Koreans, please.
Are you
Better
ready
get
for
ready.
this?
Hey.
Yeah.
As I told you guys, for the VVIP tickets, it's 5,000, VIP 2,500, regular 1,000. And in case you're watching this video and you feel like you cannot make it and you want somebody to come and represent you, you can pay the ticket for somebody. I think you're going to put the
link.
poster.
The
The
poster
poster.
or the
Oh yeah, the link for the payment.
Yeah.
So maybe you can pay for somebody so that they can come and enjoy. So guys,
This is the
basically,
place.
this is the place.
And also Paris, if you can notice,
Yeah.
this grass over here.
Yeah.
This grass over here is different from the
From
other
that
one
one.
we saw there.
Yeah.
And that one also.
Yeah, it's different.
Very different.
Yeah. And
we
it's
have
also different from this one. Because here we have another one.
Yeah, we have
So
another
now,
one here.
right over here now, this is the ground
Yes.
where the event will be happening. And now this grass, there is a difference. As Maja was saying, there is a difference between this grass and that one.
Yeah.
Because now this grass, where we are, you can step on it.
Yes.
Because this one is just a matter of just watering it,
Yes,
trimming
exactly.
it. That is the maintenance.
Wow.
But the other one, you should not step on it. If you step on it, you kill it.
Yeah.
But
And
this one you
it
can step
looks
on
like a football pitch.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, here you can relax.
Is it not wet?
How?
I knew it.
Yeah, so guys, as I'm telling you, like it's a place where you can relax because it's very cool. You know, anytime you come here, it's very, very cool. You know, and the environment. See the environment, guys. So we want to see Paris modeling.
Okay, before model for you guys, as I was saying, let me tell you guys. So right over here, this is the, and guys, don't ask where does Paris know a lot of information.
Yes.
Please, don't ask.
Don't
Just know that Paris knows a lot.
ask me.
Ask
because
Maja.
this is my channel. Ask
Yeah,
me,
ask
please.
Maja. Do not ask me.
Yeah.
So guys, right over here, this is where like the judges will be sitting. So basically, what will be happening? Because the stage is right over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the stage is there. So guys, I think you can see. Let me even remove my shoe. So
Hey,
Maja told me to
this is
model.
going to be big, guys.
Maja
Big.
told me to model, and I've never modeled in
Yeah.
my whole life. So guys, the judges will be sitting right over here. So what will happen is, okay, before that, you see the way this place is. You see these poles. So we are going to have the tents that will be covering till the end. This
Till
whole
the
green,
end.
limit,
Imagine, guys.
we will have the tent. So
This is
here,
Korea. Yeah.
yeah, so like let me see. So the division for the, I don't know if you guys, if you have attended events, you know how like the security poles there they are divided. So they are going to be divided here
Security.
so that we can have the regular and the VIP on the other side.
Okay.
Then the VVIP will be here. The very, very important persons will be sitting right over here. This is the section for the VVIPs. You see that? Yeah, so
you
this
can
is,
see the process is on. They are trying to water the grass.
yeah.
Yeah.
And right over here we have the stage where the models will be coming and modeling. Oh my God, you guys, this is going to be big.
Don't miss.
Don't miss.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and I don't know if I'll be able to walk here because of the water. So basically, the models will be coming from here. Let me show you guys. This is the attention room. This is where the attention area is.
Oh.
Yeah. So the models will be coming from here. From here, they go. It's
Let's
just
see.
no. It's not, yeah, there is water. I cannot step on it, Maja.
Oh. You come this way.
Yeah, you come this way. Remember, you're a model. Eti?
Hey.
Maja, you won't
No.
see heaven.
No. You, okay. Let's try this, guys.
No,
So
no.
come
I
from
think
here.
no. I think because there
No.
is water.
No,
let's go on the other side.
Oh, that.
Yeah, cause now, so guys, they'll be coming from here. When they come like this, they go like this. Remember, the VVIPs are sitting here. They come like this. Now remember, so when they are here, like this is what they will be here. They are catwalking. Remember, this is the stage. So,
Yeah.
and the judges are sitting right over there. So they come this side.
Oh, until there.
So you know how like models, the models.
I know. I'm going to show you, by the way.
Good, I want
show
you to
me
model.
first.
And then we model together. See, you are a model. We don't,
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know, like the judges are sitting here. So the models come. They show them. I don't know. Maybe the judges ask them a question. Then after the question, they go. After that, we go to the stage.
Oh,
Yeah.
gifting. They will be gifted there.
Yeah. So now the models have modeled. They have been asked some questions. I don't know. The questions are supposed to be happening there or at the stage. I don't know.
At the stage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the models come, and now we are coming to the stage. They
Step.
come, step, one,
One step.
two, and now, Mad, you should be here so that you can hold my hand. So you know how models when they're coming here, they
Yeah,
need to be
yeah,
held.
exactly.
Okay, so stand here so that you can hold my hand.
We will start from there.
Uh-huh.
Then we come here. You start your
Okay.
the process, guys.
Okay, so stand here. Let me go and come.
Okay.
Guys, I'm modeling.
Let's see how she's good at modeling. Oh, guys, don't miss this. Don't miss this. If you're in Korea, don't miss. Come here, guys. We will be here. Yeah.
See, you go there, wait for me.
I wait for you there.
Swisha,
Okay.
you're supposed to hold my hand when I'm climbing
Okay.
I'm climbing the stage.
Okay.
Guys, let me just embarrass myself once and for all. And please, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, imagine guys, what I'm doing. I've never done this in my life, but I'm about to do it. Why you're not supposed to be standing there?
No, you just come.
Okay. See, you're supposed to be on my right, Amma.
No.
Is it right or left? No, it's okay.
No, you know you have to get some people.
Uh-huh.
Not even one.
Uh-huh.
One standing here,
Yeah.
another here.
Okay.
When
So I
you
come.
They will hold you here.
Okay,
And
so
then we'll
guys.
do the other process of like.
Okay. Yeah, so guys, right now, just imagine that I'm in my modeling clothes. I'm in my 6-inch heel, even if I have my black socks. So just imagine. Please, don't mind me. Don't mind that you Paris, you have a cap, you have glasses. No.
Just a demo.
Just imagine right now. So when you were looking at me, just imagine that you are seeing me modeling, okay? So I'm in my 6-inch heels.
Let's
We are going to the stage. Play music.
Paris Momo. Oh, okay. Let me be a judge. Like, Paris Momo. Yeah. Ooh. Huh?
And you're on stage.
On stage is Paris Momo, guys, and our first model, of course. Yeah. So you guys can tell us. Wow.
So if you guys you laugh at me in that comment section,
Yeah.
so hold my hand
Oh,
as we come down again,
gently.
gently. Oh. And with all due pleasure.
That is for high school.
So what do people do?
You have to do like.
Oh,
Then you leave.
then you leave.
Yeah. So
my
I
God.
think it's that way because
Yeah,
even me, it's been some years
Yeah.
since I did it, but I think that is the way. You know, ladies and gentlemen, it's
And
for
you know the
high
funny
school.
thing, you know, Maja, you know, when I was coming here, I was like, I'm not even getting to the stage. Because you know, like, you're coming to, you're like, oh my God, I can't even get to the stage. It's like, you see, this place is too far.
It's and
Then-
imagine you have the heels. Now.
I'm telling you, and all eyes are on you. Everybody is seated. The judges, because you know,
Wow.
for modeling,
Everyone is watching you.
everybody is
from
watching
there,
you.
Yeah.
We have dignitaries around the Migori County Governor. We have the MPs. We have
Imagine.
the CS. We have Abzak Bank. Oh my God. Hey. So just imagine,
It's big.
all eyes are on you.
Yeah.
I swear, like even me was walking, nobody's here, but I felt as if this place is too far.
Yeah.
But
So
then-
let me try, guys. Let me
Yes,
try.
it's Maja. So let me stand here and wait for you.
Yeah. So you'll hold my hand also.
Yes, I'll hold your hand.
You know me, okay, for ladies you have to hold, but for me,
Eh.
but you will hold my hand.
Yes, I will hold your hand.
Yeah.
No, or we come together.
Let me do it first myself.
Let it come together.
Yes. Wait for me here. Guys, I want to show you what I did. Like, I did it in my college, so I want to show you. So, Paris,
Eh?
be here,
Where?
waiting for me
Oh,
here.
I wait for you. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, from here. Okay, so when I wait for you, I
You
hold
come,
you.
you hold my hand.
Okay. On your right,
My
on
moves.
on right or left?
Huh?
Which one?
Left.
Left. This is right.
I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, guys, let's go.
Let's go. Let's do this. Models for hire. Eh.
That's how we do it. I don't know if I'm good or bad, but you really have to like show what you like, what you got, you know. Yeah, so you really have to show what you got, show everything you've got to get what you want. So you have to be real, the best, you know. And I wish this was for men. Hey guys, tell me if I could beat them. Yeah, but that is what I know. You have to,
You have to.
your step, you know.
You have to.
You
mind
have to like not mind your step. Like if you get like maybe some few meters like this, you have to pause, look at your audience, people who are watching you.
Okay.
You know, there will be people here, there will be people here. So look at your audience, go back,
Look at the judges.
look at the judges, go back, look at the people who are here,
Yeah. Then you can stage.
then you go.
I've never modeled like that. So guys, in case I did Madhogodhanyo compared to Maja, because I already know I did Madhogodhanyo.
No. Yeah, but anyway guys, this is what is going to happen here
On Saturday.
on Saturday. Don't miss if you are in not even Migori County. We say
If you're from Kisii, Migori,
Kisii, Migori, Kisumu,
Rongo.
Countrywide, I think.
Yeah.
countrywide.
Even country, but there
Yeah,
are
you
the
can
tickets.
come.
There is the flights. Even you can come
Yes.
from Nairobi. You can get your ticket because it's
Imagine.
happening on Saturday. The flights are on Friday. You can get your tickets, or even you can travel overnight with the buses. You'll get here. Yeah.
Exactly. So and the flight, by the way, it's 35 to 40 minutes.
Yeah.
You will be landing
In the village.
in the village, Korea village, which we
Yeah.
love so much, and we really appreciate. I wish the host was here so
Yeah.
that she can tell us more. But anyway, guys,
I think she's because she was supposed to come and see the lights
Yeah.
being fixed.
Lights.
So I think she's doing something. I think she's on the other side though. Where like guys, we won't show you because of clients' privacy. We have
Yeah.
people there that they are having their meals, they are having their time, so we wouldn't want to show them on camera. But you can check the Jofa Instagram page. This hotel is called Hotel Jofa. You can
Hotel
check
Jofa,
their
yeah.
Instagram page.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the most part that I like here is this place. Like,
Yeah, even me, I
it's
love
so
it.
beautiful, guys.
Yeah.
So beautiful. The best. The best. So, guys, what I can say, my name is Maj_KE. Kindly subscribe to my channel. You'll be getting more videos, good videos, inspiration videos, and of course, positive videos.
Vibes and positive vibes. It's all about
Yeah.
good vibes.
Good vibes.
And inshallah.
Yeah, and subscribe to Paris Momo also.
I
a
am
good
Paris.
Uh,
Guys,
You
my
know-
channel name is I am_Paris. I don't
Yeah.
know why is calling me Paris. Anyway,
I-
Paris Momo
no,
is my name.
Yeah,
I know it's
I
coming
knew Paris
from
Momo.
when I heard that channel.
Yeah, but anyway, she's sister or baby.
I'm your sister, Maja.
Hey,
I'm
Yeah,
your
yeah.
sister. But anyway,
my
Maja,
sister.
Maja is my very good friend. Like you know, like that those friends that you can always joke about anything, anytime.
Yeah.
That is Maja for me. Because maybe like we call each other baby.
Baby, yeah.
Like that is our the same way like you have your friend, your close friend, that you both have like nicknames for
yeah,
each other.
like I call Pope Mzee.
Uh-huh.
So you see, it's like that, baby, Mzee.
Yeah.
Namna gani Mzee? You know?
So in case you're dating Margent, one day I call him or he calls me and then you hear baby. Please don't be like, who is this? That's how we call each other.
Yeah.
Baby, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. But what do you think about or no?
What do you think about what? Ask. Me, I'm a free soul. Ask.
Can we date?
Eh?
Can we date?
Huh?
Not date. Can we get married?
Huh?
Mm.
I didn't hear you. Imagine that question got here, then it got out.
Why?
Because I didn't hear it.
Oh, okay. But anyway, guys, we're
That
just
was a joke.
joking.
That was a joke, guys. Don't take it serious.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't take it serious. And of course, you guys know Paris. It's underscore Paris.
I am underscore Paris. It's
I
not
am
it.
underscore
I am
Paris.
underscore Paris. I think
Yeah.
I'll be each time you're doing videos, I will be writing a paper. Then
No. Now I know.
I am underscore Paris.
I am underscore Praise.
Yeah.
She's a very good friend of mine, a sister to me. And whenever anything happens, we are there. She is always there for me. I'm always there for her. And I really appreciate because she has never turned me down or looked down on me. She has always been there. This is the lady who gave us an Airbnb in Mombasa when we were there.
But they're talking of Airbnb's case, you find yourself you want to go to Mombasa, just alert me. I might be in the village, but I still do that business down in Mombasa. Yeah, I connect. Yeah.
So guys, I really believe she's a good friend, a good soul, and someone who can help in any way. I don't know.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You can always count on me. Hey.
No.
So you gossip about me.
You gossip. But anyway, guys, subscribe to our channels. We have good things coming.
And Pope was behind the camera. Pope say something with you.
Pope was there before.
Come here.
Yes. Pope Africa.
Being a cameraman is not it's not a joke actually. I've been back battle or
I don't know what to call it. Let's go somewhere with the sun.
Anyway, guys, I'm very grateful to be here. You know, a village man getting somewhere like I think it's a good like a 5-star hotel.
It's very nice.
Yeah, I'm really grateful. But kindly, guys, go subscribe to Paris Momo and Mzee. One of my closest and my brother, by the way. I think I should do a video talking about me and you. You know, most people have been telling about how close we are, but I'll just portray the truth. Yeah. Coming up, guys. So check on Pope Africa, and I'll be telling you how close we are with Maja.
Yeah. So, like for the coming event, what can you say about it?
It's actually it's going to be a wonderful event, and I think I shall not miss this. Actually, I shall not miss it because you can look at the background, like how the things are. Yeah, I think it will be my first time being here. Like I've never actually been in that event. Like
a big event.
Yeah,
like,
sure. It will be the first one that at least I'll get some knowledge.
How to do this.
You know, there's someone who told me that my height can be good in
modeling.
Yeah.
Every model, by the way. Model. Everybody model. Thank you brought the topic. Everybody model. I've never modeled.
Let me give you some tips.
Guys, I've never modeled, but I modeled. Pope, you have to start it. Maja, out of the way. Pope, it's your time.
You know my work style is
No, I've never modeled, but I did. Pope, you're modeling right now. You're not walking.
No.
Let me tell you one tip. I'm very short. Not very, but I'm short.
Yeah, of course you are short.
But
between me and you is shorter?
You are shorter.
Hey, no.
Yes, for sure.
You mean I'm shorter than Maja?
Yeah, you're shorter. Like, let me show you. Very short.
Very short. So you see, let me show you the tips of okay, the tips I know. I don't know. Maybe you can get some people who are modelers. Modelers or
models.
Models. No, so, but the tip me I know, and what I was doing when I was in school is like you get one step, another step, then you turn.
Okay, how many? Come here, teach me. How many?
Okay,
we go. Okay, one. How many?
One. Then we go two. Then you turn.
Okay. So every 3 steps you turn.
Yeah.
Oh wow! I've never. Okay, didn't know that. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
We start with the right or left?
Right. Okay, let's go. One. Then you go. Then you turn.
Hey!
You get me?
I'm a model now. Please. Yeah. I'm a model for hire.
Yeah. So for me, that is what I know. But anyway,
you can tell us in the comment section. By the way, we don't know that much, but you can tell us in the comment section because we're always learning each and every single day. Yeah.
But anyway, we are really privileged to be one of the people, me and Paris, to be invited or invited to be here.
Invited, of course, yeah.
Are you the guest or?
Yeah, like okay.
Not
I don't know what to say. Not the guest.
The people who can. Planning or what?
Yeah, like we are in the how would I call it? I don't know to call the group or something.
Yeah.
No, I don't know the perfect name, but Okay, as we continue, maybe on that day you'll know, or maybe not,
Yeah.
not on that day. On Thursday, I think like the best time is, we can say
On
Thursday, because on Thursday we have the booty camp. All the ladies will be here. We have like people will be coming to mentor them. I think that is the best time. Like we can talk about it.
Yeah, guys, if you are single,
Thursday is tomorrow. Wait, Thursday is tomorrow, right? Today is on.
On Wednesday. On Tuesday. On Tuesday.
Oh
Tuesday,
yeah,
yeah.
on Thursday. On Thursday.
Yeah.
So that is the day after tomorrow.
Guys, if you're single, this is the right place to be here. If you're in Korea, and this is the right place also for me. I'm here. Very
You'll
single.
be looking for a husband.
husband.
Maja, I thought I'll be with you. You'll be looking for a wife.
No.
Maja, I thought we are in the same category. So how will you be looking for somebody then I'm there?
No, after. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, but anyway, guys. Yes.
But anyway, guys, we can't wait for Saturday. It will be big. It will be amazing. Please, if you're not from this area, or maybe you're watching this video and you know somebody that, and you think like this person is not capable of paying, or maybe you know somebody that is in your hands and you're like, I would love you to go and experience this. Did you know about this? No, I didn't know. And you'll be like, okay, I would love to pay for your ticket. As I said, for the VIP ticket, VVIP ticket is going for 5,000 Kenyan shillings. VIP is going for 2,500 and regular is going for 1,000. So in dollars, VVIP is around $45.
Yeah,
45 or 40.
45, I can say 45.
Yeah, $45 for what is it called? For VIP, $25. Regular, around $9 there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how the tickets are going. In case you want to pay for somebody. Yeah. Let them also come and experience and enjoy this. Because they might learn one or two things.
Yeah,
one or two things.
We have
And
some
such
people who
events.
want to learn about modeling.
Yeah.
About maybe how to be a modeler, how to do it. So this now is a free space for Korea and Koreans, and I'm not saying only here, but anywhere in the world. You can even come tomorrow from Maju. We call it Maju. Yeah, but you are free to come. We will be here and we will receive you very well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. From Maja_KE, I really appreciate you guys. May God bless you. Peace and love. I know you will wonder this video because I'm not filming myself. Today I have my director, Pope.
That refused to be on that
Yeah.
refused to model.
Pope Africa.
That
Yeah.
refused to model.
Yeah,
A
kindly-
everybody model.
Yes, kindly subscribe to him. Subscribe to everyone that is here and subscribe to everyone that is very positive.
Of course. Positive vibes.
Peace and love.
Yeah.
Until our next video.
Bye.